Okay, so what we have here is a Ryobi reciprocating saw that doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. Let me just remove this so it will not hurt anything. Okay. Okay, so this Ryobi saw works on a lithium battery, 18 volts, 5 amps hour. This battery has an indicator, test indicator, so it shows how much juice on it. Okay, so let's try it once more, and it just doesn't work. So from what I can see, I think it's brushes issue. If you can see here, there is a carbon dust around these openings, also this side. Let's open it and see what we will find faulty. Okay. This bolt here, I think its thread is gone because it doesn't, yeah, it's just open. Let's take it apart. Do we have any screws underneath this sticker? No screws. Let me just open it and I will come back. Okay, I ended up removing this cover from here, rubber cover from this part from here by pulling it this way, and also I had to remove this part from here and also this metal sheet from here. Okay, so I got this part out and I found 4 more screws holding this part to the rear part in 4 corners, and then this part came out. Okay, let's see what we have inside. It looks that this motor has been replaced before, because I can see here non-original. Let's just zoom on this. Okay, as you can see, this wire is not original and this wire is not original, so this motor has been replaced. And also I can see some marks on this motor, and actually this motor has been welded to this part here, so this motor is not original. this whole saw has been modified, and now this motor has failed and need to be fixed again. And the problem with this motor is the brushes. I don't know if I can take it apart and replace the brushes. I will try to remove it from here, and I will see if I can disassemble it. So I have just finished removing this part, the brushes part, out of the motor, because this back part was welded with the chassis of the motor. I have to cut it open with a mini grinder. I don't know if you can see. So from here and here there was two tiny spots of welding, so this part was welded with the chassis, and these brushes have given their lives and they need to be replaced. Unfortunately, I don't have spares for this. I thought they were replaceable parts, but they are not. This complete part has to be replaced, or the whole motor, but unfortunately this motor is welded together from inside. I don't know how did they weld it, but it's welded. So this middle rod is welded to the rod that goes inside this part. So I will try to look online on AliExpress or eBay if I can find a part like this one, so I can fit it and repair it. So thank you for watching, and I hope I can see you in another video. Thank you.